Okay, Chloe, so I have a beef to pick with you. So you shared that tractor's 4020 is old because it's 50 years old? Or
53 years old.
53 years old. So your mom's birthday is on Tuesday, and I'm going to be close to 50. So are you saying that I'm old?
No.
Wow, what do you say?
That's old for a piece of equipment. And you're not a piece of equipment.
No, I'm your mama.
I'm not sure if you guys know, but it is my mom's birthday today.
Well, if they watch the video about Mom, you're so old, they would know, but I'm really not
No,
old,
she's not old.
But the piece of equipment
Is old.
but it still works really well.
Just to clarify that,
Yeah,
it's not her. It's the piece of equipment.
Okay, yeah.
Anyways, on my way home today, I stopped and picked up this beautiful cake in Dresden from the flower bin. They are so great to work with. I just kind of sent her a picture of what we were thinking, and she totally put it together. And what's even better is those strawberries are local, which is really nice. And as you can see, we're support local too. We've got eggs and pork and chicken available here at our farm store. The details will be in the description below about it. It's been a little touch and go here as we've had rain. Looks like there's more rain in the forecast, so maybe this weekend we'll be back in the field. Stay tuned.
And don't forget, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on YouTube. Yeah. Thanks. Stay tuned.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Hey! Where are you going? No, we're not done chores yet. He's such a slacker. We have sheep. All of our ewes are in this barn, the big barn, for the winter, because they'll be lambing out between December to probably March, the early March. Our rams are up at the smaller barn. We have 5 rams. We have a Polypay, we have a Dorset, and we have 3... Hi, cutie. And we have 3 Suffolk rams. One's a bit younger, but then the 2 I lambed out last year, and they're beautiful. They're nice and big. They're really well. They're maturing nicely. So yeah. Hi, Precious. Precious is one of our barn kitties. Our rams. So this is Sean. He's the Polypay. That first one is Diesel. That one is Dodge. That one is Billy. And that one is Cash. That is the Dorset. And these 3 are Suffolk. And then this is Sean, Polypay. And Kitty. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you later.